Hi y'all, today we're going to be learning how to make the poinsettia ornament. When you unload your kit, you're going to find you have the baggie, a business card to get a hold of me if you have any questions, your slotted tool, a ruler, a toothpick, magnets, or a string to hang your ornament, and then you'll have 25 red strips, 5 yellow strips, and 10 green strips of paper. Okay, so to get started, what we're going to do is we're going to put this all away. So after cleaning all that up, what I kept out is the slotted tool, the ruler, and then also my toothpick. And what I've added here is just regular old school glue. So any white school glue will do. For the first step, you're going to need 5 of your red strips. So I'm going to go ahead and get 5 of these. And the way we're going to roll these is you take the slot in your slotted tool. You guys can kind of see that there. It's got a little slit in it. Okay, and we're going to take our paper and we're going to slide it right in there. And then I'm going to start by rolling away from myself. So I'm rolling this direction, rolling away from myself. And as I roll, I'm going to try to keep it straight. I'm going to try to keep it like I'm rolling up a roll of toilet paper. We're just going to keep on doing that till we get to the end. Okay, so it kind of looks like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take this and I'm going to drop it into the bigger hole in the ruler. So I'm going to push this down, and I'm going to hold my fingers over the top of it and just let it go, and it's going to expand to the size of that bigger hole in the ruler. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up the coil and I'm going to just slide it out, letting it hold its shape. Okay, and then you're going to see what we have here is a loose end. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my toothpick here and just add a little bit of glue right to that end there. Okay, and then I'm going to put a little bit of pressure on that, and now this is called a closed coil. I'm going to actually take this and I'm going to just slightly pinch both ends, just like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and I'm going to push in to kind of make like an eye shape. Okay, so kind of push in like that. And then you have a shape that looks like this. Okay, so you're gonna repeat this 5 times to make all the petals on your ornament. For the next step, you're gonna take your green strip of paper and we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna roll it up using our slotted tool, again rolling away from me, rolling it up nicely like a roll of toilet paper. Just keep on going until you get to the end. And this one, I kind of want the leaf to be whatever size, so I don't really care. You can use the big ruler if you want to. Otherwise, you can just let it go and just let it fall off your tool naturally, just like that. Okay. And then same thing, we're going to take our toothpick and our glue and just put a little bit of glue just right at the end there on that open part sticking out. Then we're going to close this, and this time we're actually just going to pinch one side. Okay, just give it a really slight pinch, one side, okay? Then we're going to repeat this 2 times. That's going to be the leaves of our ornament. For the last part, we're going to take our skin. Now you'll notice these strips are a little bit thinner. That's because we don't want them sticking up so far off the ornament. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to fold it into 3, or roughly 3. Okay. Now I'm going to take a scissors, or you can just tear these too, it really doesn't matter. We're going to cut it into 3. Okay, just like that. And then we're going to take this one. This time we're going to make something called a tight coil. So when we get to the end, we are not going to let go of it. We're just going to hold it in place. After we get done rolling it, we're going to grab our toothpick, put a little bit of glue on, and I am just going to let it sit just like that. Okay, so I didn't let go of it this time, it didn't uncoil. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just pull that off. And now we have a tight coil for the middle of our ornament. Okay, so I'm going to repeat that 2 more times. Now that I have all of my pieces completed, What I'm going to do is I'm going to shape them into a poinsettia by just kind of laying them in place. And then I'm going to take my glue and my toothpick, and I'm going to put just a little bit of glue at the end of each petal towards the middle. Okay, once that's done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of reshape my petals and just kind of shape them like a poinsettia, evenly spaced. And there you go. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take glue, I'm going to put it in between each of these little 3 dots. We're going to put them into a shape kind of like this. And then I can put a little bit of glue on my Q-tip. Put that right in the middle there. And pick up those little 3 dots and put them right on top of the poinsettia. Just like that. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're actually going to let that dry for a little bit, and then we'll add our leaves to the bottom. Okay, now that our poinsettia is dry, what we're going to do is we're going to add the leaves. So what I'm going to do is just kind of put them underneath here. And then I'm going to take my glue, my toothpick and my glue, and I'm going to smear some glue on the top here. Just smear it all over. Okay. And then I'm going to take my flower. I'm going to kind of position these so they're kind of sticking out one side, and maybe have one stick out the top, whatever you want. Just press down, and you are done. So the last step then is to just add a string, or if you had bought the magnets, you could add a magnet to the back just by simply gluing it once this is all set. And that's it. You're good to go. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.